Hello everybody and welcome to The Price is Byte. My name is Alex and today we're going to be going through a course that I like to call How to Become a Full Stack Web Developer. Now this course is targeted towards beginners, people that don't really know how to code, but anybody can pretty much pick this up and start going through the course and following along. So in this video I'm just going to describe how the course is going to be structured and what you're going to need to get started, but we're not actually going to do any code as of yet. So the course is structured in a way where it's very bite-sized, so the videos are going to be like 3 to 5 minutes each. I want to try to keep them short because that way you can retain the most information, that way you're not overloaded with things and you can practice things on your own before moving on to the next thing that you're ready for. And we're going to be using Linux, Ruby, and HTML in order to create our web app that we're going to have done by the end of the course. I haven't decided as of yet what that web app will be, but we're going to be building it with Ruby, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those are the 4 languages. That's going to be our quote-unquote stack. And once you're done with this tutorial, you're going to be able to be a full stack developer. So that's pretty cool. But what you're going to need to do in order to follow along with this course is not what you're going to need to do with a lot of other courses, which is really great because it's extremely simple. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, which is nitrous.io, and sign up for an account. It's free, it's very quick to sign up. You put in your email address, your password, and you sign right up. And after you've confirmed your email address with them, you'll have this workspace. They give you 50 free hours, and after that you have to, or 50 hours per month actually, and then if you exceed your 50 hours in a month, you have to wait until the next month and they give you another 50 hours. But if you're doing about like an hour or 2 a day, then you should not run out of hours. You should have more than enough. So once you've signed up, once you've gone through the entire process, you just click here on the plus sign and name your app, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Test App. And over here, select Ruby as the template. Just scroll down, create the project. So what this is going to do is it's going to set up a project for you and your IDE and allow you to code and have your entire system here. So the reason you don't have to install anything is because everything is being installed for you on the cloud. So they set up your terminal, they set up your operating system, they set up your text editor and everything for you, and it's already there and ready. So if you go to click Open IDE, it's going to take you to a new tab, and it's going to open up this gray looking screen for you. It's might be a little bit intimidating at first, but you'll get the hang of it, I'm sure. Up here you have your README. You can just close out of this, don't worry about that at all. So on the side here you have your file tree, which is just a bunch of folders and files that you're going to be creating that are going to be interacting together that make your web app work. Over here you're going to have your text editor, and down here you have your terminal, which we're going to cover a little bit further in the future. But for now, that's all you have to know. This is your coding environment where you're going to be creating files and running files and having everything interact. So in the next video we're going to be creating the project files and setting up the structure of your code and getting familiar with how things work. But for now, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, and give me some comments on what you'd like to see in the future. And goodbye.